If you're not making sales on the TikTok shop, then you're missing the one thing. And without this thing, you're going to continue feeling stuck, and you're going to continue seeing your views in the 200, 300 jail. And you're going to continue feeling like you're spinning your wheels. And that one thing is the hook. Whenever I come across these TikTok shop videos and they barely have any views or engagement, they don't know they don't have any hooks, or strong hookers at that. I was having the same problem. That's why I got the Hooks to Sales library. It is a library of hooks that's full of scripts. It is created on the Notion. There are sections of the hooks. Each section toggles open and show you all the hooks. Every hook drops open with the full scripts that you can use on any product. The creator of this library has generated over 6 figures in commission on the TikTok shop alone in 2024. And she created this library based on her success. It is updated weekly. She's recently added a section of going live on the TikTok shop with the full scripts. And she also added a session of an Amazon site, and she's going to be continually updating with more and more scripts. I've been using this library for a while, and it has helped me tremendously getting more views, getting those sales, and plus creating those hooks to stop my customers every single time. If this sounds like you and you're missing a piece and you need that piece, check out my stand store. All the information is there for you.